This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. The corn market traded on both sides as we had position scoring ahead of the long holiday weekend. Corn prices drew some spillover support from strong soybean values, as well as additional support coming from the potential of crop losses in South America and reductions to the Ukrainian crop. The gains were somewhat limited by the rebound in the U.S. dollar. Soybeans shook off their pre-holiday profit-taking and put up the highest prices that we've seen in 6 years. Prices drew support from ongoing weather concerns in South America, the continuation of the week-long oilseed worker strike in Argentina, along with the fact that Brazilian farmers are said to have sold the lion's share of their beans, while Argentinian farmers are holding tight onto theirs. It is and has been tough to purchase beans from South American farmers, and it probably will be as long as it continues to be concerns of crop losses on that continent. Wheat was kind of interesting yesterday. We had global stocks, which are perceived to be plentiful with decent crops in Australia and Canada. But yesterday, that didn't seem to matter as the attention was all on Russia. Prices were driven higher by uncertainty about Russian wheat exports between now and February, along with reports the Russian winter wheat crop is in poor condition. Cotton futures had a very quiet day on the heels of Monday's ugly session. At the finish, we had March futures 6 points higher as they settled at 74.82. Livestock futures were generally weaker. February live cattle ended the day $1.20 lower, while March feeder cattle were down $1.25 at the closing bell. Lean hog futures were higher by just the slimmest of margins, with the February futures up 2.5 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures had a wide trading range and were strongly higher at the finish. At the close, the January futures were 75 points higher, settling at 16.38. Meat cutout values were mixed. We had choice box beef 25 cents lower as it closed at $2.1067. Select boxes, on the other hand, were up $2.33, settling at $1.9959. And pork carcass cutout values got pounded. They ended the day $4.18 lower, closing at $68.16 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.